In a world that never stops moving, there is an ancient practice that teaches stillness within motion. Tai Chi is not just an exercise, not just meditation, and not just a martial art. It is a moving philosophy, thousands of years old, that trains the body to slow down and the mind to awaken. Today, Tai Chi is practiced by millions across the world, not to fight, but to heal. This is the story of Tai Chi, the ancient art of moving stillness. Tai Chi was born in ancient China more than 700 years ago, inspired by Taoist philosophy and the rhythms of nature. According to legend, it was created by a monk who observed animals in combat, not with force, but with flow. Where other martial arts used power, Tai Chi used softness. Where others attacked, Tai Chi absorbed. Its foundation was simple, yet profound. Do not resist, redirect. Over centuries, Tai Chi evolved from battlefield training into a system for health, balance, and longevity. Tai Chi teaches one rare skill: how to be present. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, this moment. When you move slowly, your mind stops racing. When your breath deepens, your body softens. Tai Chi is where stress fades into motion, and motion fades into peace. In modern times, science has caught up to ancient wisdom. Studies now show Tai Chi improves balance, joint health, cardiovascular fitness, and mental clarity. It lowers stress hormones, improves sleep, reduces anxiety. For seniors, Tai Chi reduces fall risk. For athletes, it improves flexibility. For everyone, it brings peace. Tai Chi doesn't punish the body, it rebuilds it. Tai Chi teaches one rare skill: how to be present. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, this moment. When you move slowly, your mind stops racing. When your breath deepens, your body softens. Tai Chi is where stress fades into motion, and motion fades into peace. Tai Chi is for everyone, young or old, athlete or beginner, strong or healing. There is no competition, no pressure, no rush, only progress, one breath at a time. In a world chasing speed, Tai Chi gives you balance. In a world of noise, Tai Chi gives you silence. In a world of pressure, Tai Chi gives you peace. The ancient masters understood something we are only now remembering. The body heals when the mind slows. The heart opens when the breath deepens. And strength is not always loud.